theater in my room.
A theater.
Before I show y'all my house, I want to talk to y'all about these two bitch YouTubers that tried to pull some slick shit, man. I wasn't gonna talk about this shit, but a lot of y'all probably don't know because these niggas is lame as fuck. So it's like, and I'm just walking around my house, my room. This is my room, by the way.
Two bitch YouTubers.
Little do y'all know, man.
Prank?
For most of y'all that follow me on Instagram and Snapchat.
Watch, he on fake pranks, that's a L. Yeah, I seen.
Bye.
Who this
Mark
nigga?
Calendars.
Who's this nigga?
Mark your calendars. Today.
Is this, why does SoLLUMINATI look different? Is it just me?
But
he cut his hair?
he must be pranked.
I don't want to play, bro. LeBron versus D-Rose. My God! Did you prank me? No.
Daddy just how you find a current night and listen, you fucking change.
Bro, no! Oh my God, bro, what did you do? Nigga, what are you talking about? Nigga, bro, why are you acting weird, bro?
You guys think this is fake? Apparently he deleted his 2K character.
Nigga, why is you acting weird, bro? What are you talking about, bro? We about to find out right now, my nigga. You think I'm playing with you? Nigga acting weird. Ain't nobody do nothing.
Fake?
I knew it! I knew! I knew it! I knew! I know! Bro, what the fucking prank, bro? What the fuck, bro?
Wait. Was that there before?
I knew it! I knew!
Damn. Why'd he tackle him like that? Yo, my nigga said, I knew it! Why'd he tackle him like that? I'm confused. I'm confused. I knew it! Nigga tackled him like he wanted to kiss him.
I knew it! I knew!
And then he fell with him. Look how he falls with him. He doesn't push him. He takes the fall forward. Look.
I knew it!
Look.
I knew!
He falls with him. He falls back. That's crazy. So we catching you with these fake pranks. You know what I'm saying? Niggas in the closet. Yeah, niggas really is in the closet too.
Whoa, what the fucking prank, bro? What the fuck, bro?
Well, you should do a setup and house tour too.
Bro, y'all niggas do not want to see a house tour, bro. It's literally an apartment. It's not a house. This nigga on some other shit, bro. If I moved, dude, I pay $3,000 a month, bro, for rent. And $3,000 a month where I used to live was a 5-bedroom house, bro. $3,000 a month rent, like I could get a house, like a 4-bedroom house for $1,200 a month back where I lived, bro. Imagine what I could get for $3K, my nigga. Like I'm about to move back and get a house with all my niggas, bro. Like LA hella trash. Like I don't even go anywhere, bro. I don't even go anywhere. I'm about to move back and get a team house, bro. I'm about to move in with Zias and B.